This is a CALS raster file. It was developed by the military for digitizing manuals. It is a high-contrast black and white image. Standard viewers usually handle it fine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn CAL files. The CAL file extension is associated with two distinct file types, CALS raster images and calendar files. CALS raster files are used for storing black and white images, often in technical documentation. Calendar files, on the other hand, store scheduling and event information for calendar applications. CALS raster files typically adhere to the CALS continuous acquisition and lifecycle support standard, focusing on efficient storage of bi-level images. Calendar files follow specific formats, like iCalendar, AX, to ensure interoperability between different calendar applications, defining event properties and scheduling rules. If CAL is not handled natively, multiple applications is the best place to start. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows can show these files in its default viewers, but professional adjustments require imaging software. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your CAL file and select Open With. Test multiple applications if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If you are still having trouble opening the CAL file, do not worry. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, use Calendar application. Open the file using a compatible calendar application such as Microsoft Outlook, Apple Calendar, or Google Calendar by importing it. Next, check encoding. If the file fails, open the CAL file in a text editor, Notepad++, to check the structure for corruption. Finally, import via web. Upload the file to your web calendar service and import it there to verify integrity. When every program on your system rejects your CAL file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same three-letter label for different things. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. We got to the solution quickly. If speed is what you value, please subscribe for more efficient guides. Wishing you the very best.